You know, a lot of people ask me, and like I said in my last video, or one of my last videos, like, people always say, how come I never work on my bikes? And I said, man, look, because I don't have piece of shit bikes. I have friends who have pieces.
You got friends with pieces of bikes, right?
I was waiting to do that. Chopper rod. Wow. It's late. It's unusual. Alright, I'm gonna have to ease up on Chopper Rod. He had to go back to the house to get my sticker. So he had a good excuse for being late.
You might have better nails than me. I can't get this thing up.
For the road all my life, thirsty for adventure all my youth, chasing all my freedoms down Liberty Avenue. And every time I hear a phrase my mother used to say to me, everything happens for a reason. I get the feeling I need a little taste of home, home, home. Just a little taste of home. I need a little taste of home, home, home. I need a little taste of home. Nothing like kitchen conversation, steam coming up off the stove, photographs down the staircase showing our stories unfold. And every time I hear a song my father used to sing to me, sweet words of an Irish lullaby, I get the feeling I need a little taste of home, home, home. I need a little taste of home. ticket, I pick up the phone.